Today on Princess Mora 2017, me and my sister are going to be walking our fabulous dog, Cutie Pie. But that's just the name of her videos with me, of Sade. So my dog's real name is Sade. So, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna just be walking the dog and having some great adventures with her. Okay. Oh, cool. And, we live in Alaska, the beautiful Alaska. It's so pretty here, and yeah. So, oh, look at her! She's hopping like a kangaroo, and if you can see, we have mountains. But yeah, I have to go follow my sister now. Wait! Oh my goodness! Is it deep? It looks deep. Are you sure?
Just covered.
Whoa! Why? I have to hold the camera too. Whoa, 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 whoa! You know if I get snow in my boot, I'll just walk home. Ew, yellow snow! Ah! I don't think I can turn back or go forward. I need to sit down.
Get off right here.
No. I'm so sorry if I was holding my camera down. Where can I get off at? Right here, thank you. I just really need to sit down somewhere dry so I can get the snow out of my boot. Oh my goodness. Look how dang. That's, oh, okay. Can I just, no. Oh, I'm gonna jump. Yeah. Yes. I did it. Oh, snap. Okay.
I'm the one who got it.
Yeah. Huh?
I'm the one who got you down, so I should be getting off.
Look at just Shasha. I need to sit down. Oh, wait, no. It's gone. Oh. Julie. Language. I'm going to be posting this on video. Julie.
Sorry, Miss Amora.
Why, thank you, dearest. The choice is yours, and the choice is yours. Ah! Gonna go see beautiful. Shasha, can you say a word for us? No? Okay. This is just rock. This is just a mountain of rock. Julie, can you hold the camera like this?
Sure.
Thank you. I am the queen of the rock world. Thank you. Okay. Hey! This is just a regular walking the dog day. So if you expected something else, something more adventurous, you're wrong. I mean, not that y'all are like always wrong and never wrong. It's just we do some fun things. Oh, can we go over there, Julie?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are actually on my we're in Alaska. Julie! Don't throw snow in my hair! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna throw my phone! Oh crap! No! Please work. Please work. Okay. I hope this works. Oh, okay, my case is really dirty. Okay. That was a bad idea. Okay. Oh, crap. Okay. I forgive you! Eh. Ha! Woo, woo, woo! Okay. Okay, so I was saying, we are actually in Alaska, Elmendorf, J. Bear at Elmendorf Bay, Silver Run. So, look at the mountain. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's really pretty. Okay, my teacher, my 4th grade teacher, stop!
Dude, over there.
Stop it though. Oh. Ah! Shawnee! How is she doing with her cute little paws? Remember when us and Mallory were doing this? Ha ha!
Me and Mallory?
Julie, your butt is wet.
I know.
Let's go.
I thought you said you wanted to come over here to swing.
Not with all that heebie-jeebie snow. Look at Shasha. Julie, come on. Come on out.
Mom, let me get out.
You can't get out.
Yes, I can. I just did.
So our house is somewhere else. My mom doesn't like taking videos of our house. So that's something. Aisha! That's our dog. Ooh, mushy. And we're the sisters.
Yeah.
And we're the Black Sisters. Not trying to be racist. Yeah! And something smells really good. It smells like Mallory's house.
No, it smells like sweet
Look,
potato.
look. She's making little cute tracks. Oh. This is kind of like our baby sister. Take me down to what your body lies. So this is my neighborhood. This is all, well, this isn't really Silver Run. But, well, yeah, but I wish we could just, have, grab the snow. Good job, guys. Okay, I just did what Dora and all the, and like Team Mizumi and stuff like that does. They like pause for a moment and see if the viewer like does it, and it's just like really funny. So I just want to do that to make y'all laugh. Julie!
I tried to get over it.
If y'all laughed, thank you. I'll give a shout out to you. Just write hashtag haha and at the comment section below, and yeah, I'll give a shout out to you on my next video. So yeah, okay. So it's really like ew. Oh yeah, this mushy stuff. So this we came here like a while ago. It's like a storage area or something, and we had massive and awesome snow. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like so pretty. Oh, look here! Shawty! You ruined it! Shawty, you ruined it! Why? Julie, oh, I see someone like right here. Hey!
There's a lot over here too.
I wish there was like. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Ugh. If y'all can see it, please say in the comment section. So, yeah.
Well, if I brought my bike over here, I would be.
Yeah, I can imagine you. Okay. I really don't want to get anything mushy and wet because my shoes are like very. Okay, yeah. Ooh, I dare you. I dare you! I'm coming with you. Whoa! Ooh, that's cold. Shawty! Wait. Let me get a better. View. Wait. That is a really good view. Look at my sister, So my sister's right there, and my puppy, she's right there. So that's Sade, and that's Julie. And I'm Princess Moore. So yeah. And they are like the queen and princess of the world. Great job, guys! Clap, 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 clap. Oh, crap. Wait a minute. Oh! 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 Teach me how to, Dougie. Teach me. Ooh. It's like smushy. Ew! Ew! Why? Julie! Whoa! Whoa! Julie, come on! We gotta go back, or at least not in this mushy area. The tri-state area has made its decision and changed its name, just like their. Did you guys know that they're arguing about Pluto being a planet again? I mean, come on. If we can just say it's a planet and then kids can just not learn about it. It's as easy as that. Or it can just be called a dwarf planet and just settle it. Or it could just be called a planet. And then, yeah. Because this is like, no. This is like, they're idiots. Again. So, yeah. Hi, Sasha! Come here! Come to the viewers! Yeah! Yay! Girl! You are dirt to the Z. But look how dirty she is. Okay. That's all the time I have for now, because it has like a little bit of data. So, that's all the time I have for now. So, please see me next one on my unboxing video. And please hit that subscribe button below and comment, and thank you. And Julie has to say something too.
Yeah, all them people that beating me, fuck them bitches' asses. Yeah, and I'm 5 years old saying this, so
you're not 5, you're 9.
Yes, I am.
I'm gonna cut that out. So yeah, bye.